Hey guys, it's Mrs. Helm in the library back again. And I wanted to show you that if you go to my Bitmoji classroom, I've added some new books that are ebooks that are in our collection. It's just a little tricky to get to them. It's not as easy as the actual books. So I wanted to show you that here on this shelf, I've added some new titles like Mercy Suarez Changes Gears, El Defo, which is a graphic novel, Wish, How to Steal a Dog, Pax, New Kid, Guts, another graphic novel, and Caddy Woodlawn, which is like a historical fiction, just like Pax. Um, so all different types of books here on this shelf. But if you click on one of these books, what it will take you to is the Destiny Discover homepage. And so when you get to this page, the best way to find the book that you're interested in is if you go down to the ebooks and click See All, you can either scroll through to find the one that we just saw. For example, like we were just clicking on, like I think El Defo. So I could scroll to find it, or if I remember the name of it, I can just type in right here, El Defo, and I can search it and it will show me two. This is kind of funny, right? Because it shows me they look exactly the same. This one is the ebook. This one is the book here in the library. And you can tell the difference by this call number right here. So if it has a call number, that means that it's a physical book in our library. If you click on this one, it doesn't say anything. And if we click on more details, obviously we have to log in to find out, but after you log in, it will show you that it's an ebook and you can click right on read it right now or check it out. So just a reminder that if you're in my Bitmoji classroom and you want to get to a book, unfortunately when you click on it, it will take you to this web page and then you still have to find the book either by scrolling down to the ebooks or typing in the name of the book. But these are just some suggestions to get you started, and it's not too hard to get to it once you get here. So please check out an ebook. They're fantastic, and you don't even have to come up here to pick them up. So enjoy that this week, and I hope to hear from you if you have any questions.